Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Situation report, guys. All the pattern papers have been cut on the fabric, and the bottom part of the skirt in this fabric has also been cut with lining. So right now what is next to do is to iron on the interfacing for the corset part of this gown, and then I'll go right ahead to start sewing everything up. So let me quickly iron on and I'll show you in just 1 minute. Good morning, guys. Now today is another day. I was able to cut everything, the patterns. I'm sure you've seen that clip. The patterns, I've fused everything with the interfacing, and I'm here now to start joining everything up. Guys, I want to show you something real quick. So guys, can you actually see how I am kikelomoing my machine? I mean, how I am taking care and pampering this machine. So anytime I just finish sewing, I'll just wear this on top of it. Like stories that touch, I don't want to hear. I know that very soon I will still get tired. After a while, I'll be like, well, whatever, Jaren. But right now, as it's still shocking me, let me just be covering the thing and be doing it small. Also, guys, see my finger. Can you see my finger? That is why I have not actually done the sew with me challenge. Legit, this needle passed right through my finger, right through it. Can you see? And came out on the other end. Can you see that poke there? It passed right through my finger, guys. It was horrible. I did not even want to go near this machine for the longest time, but I just decided to pick up my camera and get to the machine so that I can actually do this. Okay, so yeah, I have, like I said, cut everything up. I fused hairstay to every piece of the upper part of this corset, and for the mesh part I actually had to double it. I'm going to be doubling it so that it's going to be more durable for my clients, as well as, let me see, yeah, so this is the cup. So you can see I had to use the hard wadding to make the cup part. So I did not necessarily film the pattern and every of those process because we have so many videos on corsets. I can link them up here so that you can actually see that video. And I'm still in pain from this, so I'm still in pain, but we move, right? We move. It's healing up. It's healing up. It was so painful, man. So painful. Our Sew With Me challenge was still, come on, please just bear with me. See, I'm still hurting from my finger. I'm still hurting. It's painful. It's fine. We move. So guys, let me know how many of you have had this experience before. See, I was vibing yesterday. Did you enjoy my vibe? Alright, so let me hurry up. Enough chatting. Let's continue with a project. So guys, before we even start sewing at all, I need to eat though. I need strength. Meanwhile, I don't think this one will not give me strength, but I'm trying to lose weight though, guys. What do you think? What can I do? What can I do? I want to lose weight though. My BMI is more than, like, it's already going towards overweight, obesity. Oh. Don't worry, I'll have energy when I eat this. But in the next 2 hours, when the energy is over, we'll look for another food to eat. Alright, so let's start. We have everything already. Let's start. Meanwhile, I'll be eating and sewing. I have a deadline. Guys, I lied when I said I'll be eating and working. Can you believe this? I did not even stand up from this seat I was sitting on. And I made sure I finished the food. Let me show you. See my plate. See, I've not opened this thing though. See plates. I said I have deadline. See me. Okay, now we can begin. So let me clear this plate and let's start.
Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, so finally I just put this on the mannequin so that I can see the fit on the bust as well as the back. Fortunately, it's not even zipping close because the mannequin is smaller than the size. Anyway, so it's looking good. We'll be using the fabric to embellish the cup part of this corset. We'll be using the fabric to embellish it, or looking for something else to embellish all this part. So I can now join the bottom part of this dress here. I'll join the bottom part and then finish this up because I've inserted my sleeve already. Once I'm done with it, then I'll come and place it here and start embellishing. Okay, so let's put the bottom part and finish this gown up. So guys, I've attached the bottom part of this dress. I'm just going ahead to cut out the lace and trying to place it on the corset part of the gown. Okay, so I'll just be placing it, then hand sew all of it in place. That will be it for this actual will I say tutorial slash vlog. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. If you did enjoy this tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Is it a tutorial? It's not. If you did enjoy this video, let me know in the comments below. If you want me to do some more like this, I sure will do it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for the love on the community post I posted. Thanks for wishing me speedy recovery. I'm fine now. As you can see, it's a lot better and I can do some things with it. Okay, so thank you guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. God bless you all. Bye.